Hey everyone, Dave here with Beast Made Reviews, of course a channel dedicated to reviewing quality at different price points. Now recently I did a video about Tactile Turn and I went through all of the products that they offer. Today I want to kind of shorten that and make one video about one of their products. So if you're following the channel and you've already seen the Tactile Turn video, this is just going to be kind of a rehash of that, but just on this one specific thing. And before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe down below. If you like this type of content and you're new to the channel, I have lots of content like this on a variety of things all around quality, whether they're EDC, fashion, tech, guitar, pens, anything. I've got lots of different things. I think you'll like it here, so definitely consider subscribing. But today I'm going to review the Bear knife by Tactile Turn. Now this is the second knife they came out in their line from the Tactile Knife Company. I should say that's Tactile Knife Company and not Tactile Turn. I don't know why they don't put it under one umbrella. It's the same company in the same spot. I don't know. But Tactile Knife Company came out with the Bear as their second knife, and this one is a slip joint folding knife. I'm a big fan of slip joints. I love traditional folding knives, and when I found out they were making this, I was elated. And then I saw they're coming out with one in Ultim, which is a really cool kind of composite plasticky looking material. I was even more excited. You'll be seeing more of this knife on the channel, so stay tuned for that. But today we're gonna be reviewing this knife. I'm gonna give my pros and cons about the knife and just run through it real quick. Of course, if you're interested in this at all, definitely check out the link down below. It is an affiliate link, so anything you buy through that does help out the channel. I always appreciate it when you do that. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get to the review. So the one that I'm showing you here is the Ultim Bear, and Ultim is a material on the outside there that is that yellow material. Kind of looks like plastic, but is a lot stronger than regular acrylic. But for now, just know that this is a limited release for the Bear. The Bear normally comes with titanium, just like the Rockwall. Now this is a slip joint knife, and it shares some of the design aesthetic choices that older style slip joint knives have. The blade is a clip point style blade with a flat grind there. Again, the blade steel on this is Magna Cut again. Has two little parallel nail nicks, which I love. I think that's so cool. This one has a half stop that's pretty flush, and the half stop is kind of a safety mechanism. So if you were to accidentally bump the knife, it wouldn't close on your fingers. It would hit that half stop and stop. Now the dimensions of this Ultim Bear are the exact same as the regular titanium Bear, which is a closed length of 3.84 inches, a blade length of 2.84 inches, a blade thickness of 0.065 inches, an overall thickness of 0.28 inches. But the weight of this Ultim Bear is just 1 ounce. Again, my only complaint about this is that this one is not as sharp as it could be for a $200 knife. This one also comes with a lanyard, and you can choose to add a lanyard bead if you like for an additional cost. This one again has the micro grooves on the outside of the handles here. It's so super thin. I've seen a picture of this where it actually fit into a pack of Wrigley gum. As a slip joint knife, it's absolutely perfect. It's really lightweight. It just slides in your pocket, disappears, and the blade is incredibly thin. That gives it a great potential for slicing. As a knife, this is exactly what I'm looking for. I love slip joint knives. I don't need something to be tactical, I just need something to cut. And I like the kind of old school aesthetics that slip joints have. I love how this Bear pays attention to those old world style slip joint aesthetics, but modernizes everything. The dimensions, the thickness, the weight, everything is perfect on this. Overall though, I'm just really impressed by everything Tactile Turn has made here. Their knives are exceptional. I think they're making some knives out there that are just on par with some of the best quality knives out there. I really do. I do think they could improve on sharpness for their blades, but other than that, I don't think I really have much of a complaint about these knives. This knife comes in at $199. You are getting your money's worth with this knife. It's fantastic. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in this at all, definitely check out the link down below. What do you think of Tactile Turn? I'd love to know your thoughts, so let me know down in the comments what you think of Tactile Turn. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Love you for it. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with Beast Made Reviews.